Hi, this is Kunal from HelloStockMarket.com. I make these videos in the backseat of my car simply because I work a day job, so I do a stock market investing as a side hustle. And these videos are more just to chronicle the path from getting to making a little bit of side hustle income to eventually getting to hopefully where you're making some sizable income on the side. In today's video, I just want to talk about the importance of going over how the market does. I know in many tutorials and in many different chat rooms, everybody loves to talk about individual stocks, that sometimes it's easy to forget what the market does day to day or week to week. I personally like looking at a weekly type of time frame just because most of my trades are on 6 to 8 months type of thing, and so weeklies work better for my trading strategy. So today being Saturday, I like to look at what the SPX did over the last week. And in this chart, you'll see what I'm going to do with these charts is put them on the website or put them on the Instagram account so you can actually see the details of it. But what I did here is I printed out a weekly chart in a candlestick format, so you can kind of see this is the latest run up. And this is last candle would be this week's price action. So I'll have a closer view on the IG account, but what you can see from this chart is even though it's starting to keep on going higher, you probably saw that in the news of how the NASDAQ is starting to make even higher highs and that kind of thing. But if you look at the candlestick from this last week, you can kind of see a bearish tone because you have a large upper shadow above the close or above the close of the index. To me, I'm not overly concerned about this, but it's something to be paying attention to because even though there's a lot of news about how everything's so great and how the market keeps on trucking higher, these little shadows could be a foreshadow of what could happen down the line if bears start to come into the picture. So it's just something to be a little bit more concerned about, or at least have that in the back of your mind if things start like presenting a little bit more clues about a breakdown or that kind of. I don't even want to say a breakdown because when things are going good, you should be riding the trend, but when things get too good, you should be almost looking at exit strategies. So that's the takeaway I take from this week's price action in the SPX. Again, I'll have this chart on the IG account if you want to take a closer look. Thank you, and keep on looking at the IG account, keep on following the moves, and hopefully start building a community here.